Excuse me. Is this everything?
Yes, all bags from flight.
My suitcase is not here.
Let me double check for you.
It's silver, hardshell, blue tag.
I don't see it here.
I really need it today.
Did you check the belt?
Yes, I checked 3 times.
Okay. Let's file a report.
I have a business meeting.
I understand. I'll assist immediately.
My suit is inside that suitcase.
I'm truly sorry about that.
I flew from London this morning.
This is Flight 278 from Heathrow?
Yes, landed here 20 minutes ago.
All right. Let me check system.
Please. It's very important luggage.
I completely understand your urgency.
It contains documents, laptop, charger too.
Thank you. That helps a lot.
And my presentation notes are inside.
Okay. Let's get this started.
What do you need from me?
Full name, flight number, contact information.
Name's John Carter. Flight BA 278.
Got it. Email or phone number.
Phone, +44 7900 123456.
Thank you. Hotel or home address?
Hilton Downtown. Room 1112.
Thanks. When's your business meeting?
In 2 hours. I'm panicking.
I understand. I'll escalate this.
I really appreciate your quick help.
We'll do our best, Mr. Carter.
Can you send it to a hotel?
Absolutely. We'll deliver it directly.
When do you expect to locate it?
Usually within 6 to 8 hours.
That's quite long. Any faster?
We'll mark it high priority.
Can I rent a suit?
We can recommend nearby stores.
That might help. Please do.
I'll print a suggestion list.
Thanks. What's the claim number?
Claim ID is 77892045.
Should I check back later?
We'll call once it's found.
Do you offer compensation today?
Yes, if baggage is delayed.
How do I apply for it?
Fill this compensation request form.
Do I sign here now?
Yes. And attach your ticket.
I have it on phone.
Screenshot is fine. Please attach.
Done. I emailed it already.
Received. You'll get confirmation soon.
Can you describe lost luggage?
Silver hardshell, blue luggage tag.
Yes. Also has business logo sticker.
Noted. That's very helpful, thanks.
What if it never turns up?
We'll reimburse per airline policy.
Will it cover suit and laptop?
Value will be assessed carefully.
Okay. I really hope it's found.
We'll notify all connected airports immediately.
Can I track the report online?
Yes, here's the tracking website.
Is password required for tracking page?
Just enter your claim number.
Do you need passport information?
No, your ID is sufficient.
Will customs delay baggage recovery?
Only if inspection is required.
I see. It was carry-on approved.
That helps speed up checking process.
What time should I check again?
Check after 4 hours, please.
Will someone call from your office?
Yes. You'll get SMS first.
Okay. My phone is always on.
Good. Please keep it nearby.
This situation is very stressful today.
I completely understand, Mr. Carter.
What if I leave tomorrow?
Will ship to next location.
Even internationally? I return to UK.
Yes. We'll ship it worldwide.
At no extra cost, right?
Correct. We cover all charges.
You've been very helpful, Ms. Lee.
I'm glad I could assist.
Please update me even if late.
Absolutely. We promise timely updates.
What's your department's contact email?
Baggage.support@airglobal.com is our address.
Can I call that number too?
For urgent calls, use hotline.
What's the hotline number again?
It's 1-800-555-LOST-5678.
I'll save that just in case.
Good idea. Always safe backup.
Will your staff recognize my bag?
We've flagged description with system photos.
Where's lost luggage usually found?
Often misrouted or delayed in transit.
So there's still some good chance?
Yes. Most bags return in day.
I'll wait at hotel then.
You'll receive a call shortly.
I'll check my email constantly too.
Great. That's very helpful communication.
I hope I look presentable.
You'll do great either way.
You're kind. Thank you sincerely.
Wishing you luck on presentation.
I hope I don't look sloppy.
Confidence makes the best impression.
That's a comforting thing to hear.
I believe you'll handle it well.
Will the system update automatically?
Yes. You'll get real-time notifications.
I'll check tracking site every hour.
We'll also call when located.
Can I request text updates too?
I've added SMS notifications already.
That's perfect. I appreciate your efficiency.
We're happy to support passengers.
Who do I speak with later?
I'm assigning you case officer.
May I know their name?
Anna Smith, Senior Baggage Coordinator.
Can I email her directly too?
Her email is anna.smith@globalpartners.com.
Great. That's helpful to know.
She'll keep you well informed, John.
I'll meet her if needed?
Yes. She works from Terminal 3.
I'll be at hotel mostly.
She'll coordinate everything remotely too.
I hope my laptop's safe.
Most luggage stays untouched, don't worry.
Even the charger and folders?
All reported safe in past cases.
Have you seen my luggage today?
Not yet, but alert active.
I'll try to stay calm.
We're doing everything we can.
I'll now head to a hotel.
Yes, and check in peacefully there.
Thanks for all this information.
It's my job, happy helping.
Any last thing I should do?
Just keep phone and email open.
I'll wait patiently for your update.
We'll call soon, Mr. Carter.
I'll save your card, just in case.
Perfect. Feel free to contact me.
I'm calming down slowly now.
That's good. Breathe and relax.
If suitcase arrives today, I'll cheer.
Let's hope it arrives soon.
Thank you again for everything.
You're very welcome, Mr. Carter.
I'll go prepare my backup plan.
Good idea. Just in case.
This experience has taught me something.
Always pack essentials and carry-on.
I won't forget that next time.
Happens to the best travelers.
You've been professional and kind today.
I'm always happy to assist.
I'll update you once it arrives.
Please do. We care deeply.
All right. I'll head out now.
Take care. Safe travels, Mr. Carter.